Welcome to this technical guide on the HP Spectre x360. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP Spectre x360 has suddenly stopped working, you're not alone. Many users experience this issue, which can stem from various causes such as a failing battery or a damaged motherboard. If left untreated, these problems can lead to further complications, ultimately resulting in a more costly repair or even a total loss of your device. To tackle this problem, you will need a few tools including a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, tweezers, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any electrostatic discharge. Begin the repair by ensuring your device is powered off and unplugged. Carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the casing, starting from the edges to avoid damaging the clips. Once you've gained access, you will need to locate the battery, which is often the main culprit in these scenarios. It is usually situated near the bottom of the device, secured with several screws. Make sure to note the type of screws. They are typically Phillips screws, and you should apply gentle pressure to avoid stripping them. As you remove the screws, place them in a small container to keep them organized. After removing the screws, gently disconnect the battery cable using your tweezers, taking care not to pull on any nearby components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the battery is disconnected, you can proceed to remove it from its compartment. If you're replacing it, simply take your new battery and carefully place it into position. Reconnect the battery cable, ensuring it is firmly attached. After all necessary components are replaced, you can begin to reassemble your device. Align the casing and press gently until it clicks back into place, securing it with the screws you previously removed. Finally, power on your HP Spectre x360 to verify that everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, double-check your connections. To help prevent this issue from recurring, ensure your device is kept updated with the latest software and avoid overcharging the battery. Additionally, regularly clean out dust from the vents to keep your device running smoothly. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.